All right, here's a brief overview of the VFD function from Torus CNC. It's a 2.2 kilowatt VFD. When you first plug it in, you'll get this looking screen. Won't do anything. You hit the run, that'll stabilize, and then from there you can control your speed. This is reading in hertz. Tracker on. Fire it up. So from there, you can, obviously turn it down if you want, or you can just hit the stop. And then from there, it won't. It's unresponsive again. But let's say you have a speed that you like. You can come back here if you've got a reading still left in there. Hit run, and it'll pick up right where you left off. There you're going again. Stop. Turn that down to 0. Now if you hit run, nothing. Crank. So yeah. About it. Got a key operated door, but I'm not going to open it because I have not disconnected from power. Don't die, people. That's it. I always find it a good practice to turn my knob back down unless I'm like actively going back and forth working on something. But yeah, that's basically it. We've got this wired into a welder cord. So that's kind of a nice, easy to attain cord from Menards or Lowe's or wherever. Home Depot probably. And a nice heavy cord. So yeah, thanks for watching.